Hello children, hope all of you are keeping fine. In this video, I will start with exercise 8.2 of NCERT chapter Comparing Quantities. So let's start question number 1. A man got 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, find his original salary. So here the new salary is given to us, which we get after the increase, and we are required to find the original salary. So we can take the original salary as rupees X. Let the original salary be rupees X. What is the percentage increase? Percentage increase is 10%. And we have learned that the percentage increase or percentage decrease is always calculated on the original amount, not the increased amount. So in this case, the original amount is the original salary, which we have taken as rupees X. So what will be the new salary? New salary is given as 1,54,000. It is the original salary plus the increased amount. That will be equal to the new salary. So we can write that original salary plus the increment will be equal to the new salary, that is 1,54,000. Now original salary of taken as rupees X. X plus increment is what? 10% of the original amount, which is X, of X. This is equal to 1,54,000. Therefore, we can say that X plus 10% of X means 10 upon 100 of is multiplied by X. So 10 upon 100 into X. Therefore, we get 100x, we take the LCM, 100x plus 10x, that is 110x upon 100 is equal to 1,54,000. So the value of x will be 1,54,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 110. 0 gets cancelled, 11 goes once, carry 4, 11 goes 4 times. So 14,000 into 10, that is rupees 1,40,000. So the original salary is rupees 1,40,000. Or you can eliminate these two steps and directly get this, because we have learnt that, say there is a 10% increase, we can multiply the original number with 100 plus the increase upon 100. That is, original salary is X in this case. So X multiplied by 110 upon 100 will give the new salary. So again, I get this as 110x upon 100 is equal to 1,54,000. So we straight away come to this step by doing it this way. Now let's do question number 2. On Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went. So the number of people going to zoo on Monday has reduced to 169. What is the percentage decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? You are required to find the decrease percent of the people going to zoo on Monday. To calculate the percentage decrease, we need to know the actual decrease. So we can start this. People visiting zoo. On Sunday, how many have gone? On Sunday, 845. On Monday, this number has reduced to 169. So how do we get the actual decrease? We can calculate the actual decrease by taking the difference between the new and the old values. In this case, it is the difference between 845 and 169. This is the new value and this is the old value. So you take the difference, you get the actual decrease. 845 minus 169. So 15 minus 9 gives 6. 13 minus 6 gives 7 and 7 minus 1 gives 676. So the actual decrease in the number of people going to the zoo on Monday is 676. Now to calculate the decrease percent, we know that the increase or decrease percent is calculated on the original amount. So here the original is the number of people going on Sunday, because as compared to number of people going on Sunday, we can see the decrease on Monday. We are comparing it with 845. Then only we know that the number of people have reduced or decreased. So to calculate the decrease percent is change in value upon original amount into 100. So here the change is the actual decrease. So it will be equal to the decreased amount upon number of people going on Sunday. Multiplied by 100 to get a percentage. So what is the decrease? It is 676 upon 845 multiplied by 100, which is equal to I'll just rub this out. So these two get cancelled by 5. 5 2s are 0. 5 1s are carry 3. 5 6s are carry 4. 5 9s are. Now 169 is 13 square. So we can try with 13. 13 goes 13 times. 13 goes 5 times 65. Left with 2. 13 goes 2 times. 13 once. 13 goes 4 times. So 4 into 20 gives 80. So the percentage of decrease is how much? 80%. That is, the number of people going on Monday have decreased by 80% compared to those going on Sunday.